Hi friends, it's Nathan, a first-year pharmacy student at the University of Waterloo. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today is college move-in day. I am moving into my college apartment for my second year of pharmacy school, and it's gonna be an exciting vlog. So I'm actually going up quite empty-handed. A lot of my stuff already in Waterloo, so I'm merely just moving my belongings from one apartment to another apartment, but I'm super excited to show you my new unit because it's bigger, it's more luxurious, and I just can't wait for you to see it. So I will see you in the car as we start driving 2 hours east from Toronto to Waterloo. I'm driving today, so we're gonna put on a good playlist and then we're gonna get going. Got my keys, so it's time to move everything from my old apartment to this new apartment. All of this needs to be packed up and moved to my new place. And this will be the last time I have this view, which if you guys know from my exam vlog, this view is legendary. So welcome to the freak show. All the food from my current fridge and freezer has to go into the new fridge and freezer. Also, I am sweating. I don't know why it's so hot in here. I turned down the AC already, it's on blast. My parents are actually moving things down as I'm packing, which is kind of great that it's like an efficient kind of train. So I'm packing, they're moving. Okay, hopefully it is like 2:30. We want to get done by 4. So we still have an hour and a half, and I think it should be enough time. So much stuff. Think they got me in a chokehold. All moved out. This view has served me well. No, all the fits, the walk-in closet. The bathroom, I'm telling you, in here, I've poured out my heart and soul to Olivia Rodrigo, but also listened to rave and hype music to hype myself up. But this is pretty much farewell. Just my luck, only one elevator is working today. So everything from my old apartment has been moved to my new apartment. I don't want to show you too much stuff because I want to reserve it for a full dedicated video, a room tour, an apartment tour. So I'm just gonna show you bits and pieces of it to give you a little bit of a taste. But now I'm just gonna start unpacking things for my bedroom while my parents are doing in the kitchen. These rumors got you good. Pretty much everything is moved in. I still have some bits and bobs to put up and like decorations and things in my drawers and cupboards, but I will do that another time because I'm actually not staying here yet. I just came to move all of my stuff from my old apartment to my new apartment. I'm actually going back home for 2 weeks and then I'm coming back to Waterloo to actually live and officially move in. So I just had to get my stuff in here. I can't wait to show you the full apartment with all the decorations and everything put up because it's gonna be aesthetic, it's gonna be minimalistic. You guys know my style already. Hi friends, I want to tell you that this video is kindly sponsored by Boxu, a premium Japanese snack box subscription service that delivers Japanese snacks and tea pairings. As I tell you more about this, I'm just gonna open it up and we're gonna do a little mukbang while I give you all the information. Let's start by eating a white Japanese strawberry. Every month you'll receive a new box that has a different theme, and these themes will vary and it'll take you all throughout Japan. This is a filled strawberry. Wow, that is good. So the box is shipped directly from Japan, and if you're from the US, you'll get free shipping as well. Let me just try one more snack as I tell you more about Boxu. So I'm gonna try this pear cheese biscuit. Boxu is the only snack box company that partners with 100-year-old snack makers, so you know that all the food you're getting is gonna be cultured and it's gonna be authentic.
Who thought like a fruit and cheese would have a good pairing, but this is good.
If you've never had Japanese snacks before or you're a big fan of Japan and love snacks, I definitely recommend you try out Baksu. You can use my code Nathan10 for 10% off. Just head on over to the link down in the description box and you can start trying all these delicious Japanese snacks for a very cultured and authentic experience. You definitely don't want to miss this opportunity. I'm gonna finish this biscuit and I'm gonna let you continue watching the vlog.
2 weeks later.
A few weeks later, but today I am officially moving into the University of Waterloo. A couple weeks ago, I moved all of my stuff from my old apartment to my new apartment. And today I'm actually moving myself in and I'm gonna grab some clothes and some other items and stuff. But yeah, so today is the actual move-in. So it is currently 8 in the morning and we wanna leave the house by around like 10:30-ish. And I haven't started packing at all. I was out for a birthday dinner last night, so I didn't get home until late. So we're gonna get started packing. Yeah, it should be a fun day.
Everyone tells me not to get old. I'm more worried about stonks and money. I'm so attached to...
I'm sweating. I am so tired. I'm just trying to pack up everything so leave at 10:30 and I think everything's done. So we're just gonna head down to the car. Everything is packed. So I'll give you the view of the trunk and then we're on our way. This is what the trunk's looking like. We got my clothes, miscellaneous shoes, a lot of toilet paper, some food, and my little big plant. And that is everything. So before heading to Waterloo, we're stopping by Cambridge, which is just the city before Waterloo, and we're gonna grab lunch at this really nice place called Cambridge Mill. It's like this view and it's just kind of a send-off lunch.
What does it all mean? Oh, those lonely people, where do you walk home? Baby, I've been feeling nothing lately. Won't you find a time to save me? It's getting me, I wanna go where you go. Everyone tells me.
For my dish, I got a sesame seared tuna with quinoa and edamame. We got the pineapple carpaccio and the strawberry shortcake. It is a million degrees in the car. My body is burning, like the leather seats, but we finished eating and it was just a really nice meal to be a farewell and to send me off to college. And I'm gonna miss being with family, but I'm excited to be on my own again. To no surprise, I forgot stuff, so I'm at Walmart getting chicken breast slices and hummus.
Not to get married.
So we got all the food and the groceries. My mom is currently being amazing and putting them all into the fridge for me. So while my mom is handling the kitchen, I'm going to do this big bag of clothes. So because I haven't been here in almost a month, I feel like my bedding's just dirty, so we're gonna do a load of laundry and my towels and everything's gonna go in so we can be nice and fresh for tonight. Oh, it's so dusty in my room, but I finished cleaning, I finished putting everything away, and that's pretty much my move-in. Now, I have some like clothes and stuff drying, but I don't want to show you everything in my apartment yet because I want to do a separate video that is a college apartment tour. So I'm just going to keep things kind of hidden. You saw a little bit of teasers here and there, but if you want to see the whole apartment, it's a pretty nice apartment, I think. Make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss it. Okay, I have like a fleck of dust in my hair that Okay, well, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Let me know in the comments where you're studying. Are you in the dorms or you have a place of your own? Let me know. Make sure to turn on post notifications to get notified every time I post a new video. And if you want to see more day-to-day content, I post a lot more on my Instagram, so follow me at nathan.woo. But that's it for me, and I will see you friends in the next video. Bye.